up, welcome back to my channel. I am Divyanshi, and so for today's video I am really excited because I'm going to take some BuzzFeed quizzes on my laptop. Yes, because I am very bored right now and I thought of filming, and this was a video idea I thought of doing. It was all like my video ideas list like from a very long time, so I thought that I should do it. Yes. But the thing is, I don't have like I don't used to have like an unhealthy obsession with any kind of movies or series. So that was kind of suspicious, because how am I supposed to do the BuzzFeed quizzes if I don't know about, like, I don't know anything about like the movies, like not anything, I don't know a lot of things about the movies, we should say. But in the case of Harry Potter, I am literally I'm not like I am pro, okay, like I should just simply take the compliments. I almost know all the answers to the questions and all, because I have watched the movies. Like, the amount of times I watched it is unhealthy, and then the books, I'm still reading them, but yeah, I know everything and plots and all, so I think that will be good. And so we are all ready for this. I'm gonna launch this whatever soft app. Oof. Why is this so like, oh. You need to remember. You might need a rememberer to ace this. Oh my god. This is a frustrating way. I'm gonna do this one in which it says if you can remember which house these obscure Harry Potter characters were in, you are probably a Ravenclaw. So I'm not a Ravenclaw, we all know this, but I really do remember about everyone, being in their houses and all.
On it all, just hold it all, bitch, I'm a big gangster. I turn it out with a foreign love.
So we'll continue this now. Which house is Rita Skeeter in? Oh shit! I don't know! Like, for her, she can be a Ravenclaw and then both a Slytherin. She can never be a Hufflepuff or a Gryffindor. Like, of course, it's not like that I'm judging her, because, like, of course, Gryffindors can be, like Peter Pettigrew too. But Slytherin, I don't think she gives, like, she is very, I think she's Slytherin. Please don't hate me if I lose.
Yes! Slytherin!
Oh my god, yay! Like, I knew this kind of, like, I was like sure that because yeah, she was ambitious, that was for sure, and then determined. Oh my god, very determined. I hate her actually. Okay, now, next one. I'm so excited, okay. Which house was Xenophilius Lovegood in? Okay, like, wait, hold on. First of all, I am not sure if this is like Luna Lovegood's father or something, because I have not read the full books. Like, I am still on the Order of the Phoenix. I'm going to complete it today, but I think that can be Ravenclaw, then both Hufflepuff. If I get wrong, like if I click Ravenclaw, I get Hufflepuff, then you think that I was kind of sure. Ravenclaw? Like, Lovegoods can be Ravenclaw because they're like very smart, like very intelligent, wise. Should I go with Ravenclaw? You guys think so? Yes! Okay, I'm right. Despite his caring nature and his willingness to protect his daughter, yeah, which seems very Hufflepuff. Same, I was just oh my god, I am so good.
Oh my god.
I am so good. Okay, sorry for this excitement. What house was Cornelius Fudge in? Slytherin. I searched this like yesterday, I guess. Yeah, because I was very furious at him. He is literally disgusting. Yeah, I knew it. Which I know this. Morning Myrtle was in Ravenclaw. What house was Albus Potter in? Slytherin. House was Katie Bell in? Oh, I don't know this. Wait. Hufflepuff? Katie Bell. No, Gryffindor. Katie Bell played from Gryffindor, right? Yes. I'm sorry if I get it wrong. Yes, I did get it right. House was Charity Barbagan. I don't know him. I don't remember it.
Because in book, if movie I don't think so he's mentioned. If he is, then I think I forgot. Should I go with like Slytherin or like Hufflepuff or Ravenclaw? I don't want to get a cross. It's okay.
Should I like click in Hufflepuff? Oh yeah, he was Muggle studies teacher. Which house was Ludo Bagman in? Shit. I don't know why I think like Ravenclaw, but I guess I'll go with Gryffindor. Oh shit, he was in Slytherin. Koi baat nahi. Wrong for the first time. It's okay. Which house was Astoria Greengrass in? It was not one of those prefects from Hufflepuff, I remember. Oh, she's from Slytherin. Shit. Oh yeah. Oof. He was like Malfoy's wife. Yeah. And finally, what house was Meritia Edcombe? Oh my god, can you see this? Like, wait, is this? Yeah. Why is Gryffindor and Ravenclaw written in such a big font? I don't really remember. What is this? She was in Ravenclaw. She was the one. Yeah, she was the one who. This will be a spoiler, of course. Who just said that? I'll tell you how did I know this. So she was the one who said to like the irritating Umbridge that they are doing a defense against thing. So my video is being generated right now, so I have to wait till it's generated. I'm so happy. This was like amazing, like very amazing. So the video is like done, like it's prepared, and then I am seeing my score right here. It's you scored better than 93% of all quiz takers. And all the like 2 points I got like wrong because they were in Slytherins and I didn't read their name properly. Great. I'm gonna do this one right now. Like this will be like the second and the last one. It is you might need a remember all to is this trivia quiz about the spells from Harry Potter. So it's kind of hard for me because I really don't remember all the spells. So we will do this one. You might need a remember all. So for the very first one, and I know I'm gonna choose the wrong one. What does the incantation Duro do? Duro. Harden things? Okay. So I didn't remember the spell which Hermione did on Neville. But Duro means durable, which can be like hard. So I use some physics in my brain. Like shut up, okay. Next one is, what does the charm Porters do? Porters creates a portkey. Dumbledore did it in Order of the Phoenix. Yeah. What about Morse Morday? Produce the dark mark? Yes. Which of the following curses is considered officially unforgivable? Crucio. I'm kind of pro, like not that dumb in this thing. And finally, what does the Find Fireacres? Oh, I knew this! Oh shit, I clicked on the wrong one. I knew this! Why am I so dumb? I knew this, okay, I knew this. Oh, why? Your scores is... okay, so I just completed my exam thing. Okay, so I got like a 4 out of 5, which is good. Oh, well done. At least I didn't need a rememberal to do these. Kind of good in these.